Mut siinä melkein hiilos.
Mut eiks me voitais mennä kattoo, että oliko siellä ohkaisempia puita siellä puuvarastossa?
Niin, siellä oli vähän huonosti, mutta okei.
Is a bench here? Maka konsapu.
Joku valo näyttää.
Ah?
Can you do this?
Can I do what?
Can you do this?
No, I don't know what it is. What was that? Like gangster sign or what?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do this like west side like. I can do like this too, you know.
Teidän aasimia. Marshmallow aasim.
Se flashlight.
Where the flashlight or what was it?
Missä ne puutu?
Ne on tuolla vajassa.
Just talk to the car. You show the...
Ei oo mukaan pienempää.
No.
What was that thing you did?
Silloin kun sinä olit nuori, niin... Ai.
Elä kuule poika ruppee vanhemmin.
Älä sinä minulle, minä silloin kun minä olin sinun ikäisesi. Mulla oli semmonen meininki, että karhujen kanssa siellä tanssittiin päivät.
Sinne!
Ei minun nuoruudessikään mutta paskaa ollut! Silloin kun minä olin sinun ikäiset, Pluto oli vielä planeetta.
Mitä helvetin pulputusta täällä oikein kuuluu? Minä en vielä oo mikään vitun vanha.
No, it was on fire.
What was
I think it burned.
Beanie and Sausage got fire. Wait. I have to record this.
Huh?
How to record that?
No,
How you record? You born a sausage.
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow. But you have sausages before. Sausage. How do you pronounce that fucking word? Sausage.
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 Shit.
Sausage, no! We have a
Sausage. Farfetch.
No.
That was so perfect. That was so good. Oh my god.
Yeah.
You like the
Die
burnt
there,
there?
Antti! Yeah, good for you. Ow! The smoke!
Oh my god, that was so good. Oh,
You
mama.
want more? I can give you more if you want.
No.
That's what she say.
Oli. Never ending candy.
Who is never ending candy?
Pinia is never ending candy.
I thought so.
What is... it's not like you burn that thing, but what is it in English?
Roasted?
Well, but paistaa.
Grill it. Burn
Grill
it.
it.
Grill it. Drill it. Ding. Pikachu.
I haven't seen like
Pokemon.
even one Pokemon
Ever.
episode ever.
You lying.
What the
No, I'm not
fuck?
lying. It's like
Even in your childhood?
I was on the 6th grade when Pokemon arrived in
And
Finland, and
I was like, fuck the police, I'm not watching this shit.
it was that time when every childish thing was out of fashion. Like
Embarrassing.
you tried to be
Different?
older.
Oh yeah. Ah, so you didn't watch Pokemon
Yeah,
because you
Pokemon.
thought it was childish.
I didn't watch it. I wasn't interested in it.
Alright. Have you seen Dragon Ball?
No.
Alright.
I have seen anime and read manga so little. I have seen Hellsing.
Alright.
And
You should watch Hellsing a Bridge parody. It's good as fuck. It's really like a hell of a lot. I haven't seen Hellsing a Bridge parody. It's a comedy about Hellsing.
okay.
So they use the...
Can you link it?
Yes. Add me on Facebook so I link all the good stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I could check it out.
Yes, but I haven't even watched, like Hellsing.
Yeah.
But and the parody is still funny because for get all the jokes you have to watch, the Hellsing original series.
Yeah.
Oh, look at
Stop
that!
that!
Can you do that again?
No. I think I would like to have my marshmallow Less burnt.
Yeah. What happened to your friend? Did he die or something?
Antti karvoa tapani hydeen. Tunnu nussimasta pois sieltä.
Kenet sinä löysit sieltä?
Mulla pitää tietää.
Who did you wind the...
Kiitoksia! I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Yeah, thank you, but I don't know. I once said I come here with yes, no kiitoksia.
Sano, että tule tänne.
Antti, come here. I have a...
Tänne.
Ha?
Tule
I have a marshmallow
Tulle
for you.
tänne.
Joo, come here.
Tulle tänne.
Tule
Tulle
tänne.
tänne.
You have to be
Tule
firm
tänne.
with Finnish words.
That's what she said.
Well, we said kuusi. Lee said kusi.
Kusi.
Which is pea.
Pussy is different than
Yeah.
No niin.
There isn't a smaller woods,
Yeah.
you say.
I can... En mä näe niitä töös. Mulla on sellainen pahan vaatokarkki, ole hyvä.
It burns! It burns!
Palan
Puukko sitten.
Did you burn yourself?
Puukko.
Look at this. Like,
Oh, but that looks good actually. Try it.
you wanna taste?
I can
Täällä mulla valo.
Take you.
Anna Saaralle valoja.
It's ripping up.
I got the crust, but yeah, it's good.
Kuivin tämä löysi.
It look like mushy chocolate.
We should have a hot chocolate here.
Yeah. You know, I don't know. I think I'm gonna lose some of my stuff here in the wood. Where the fuck is my hat? Sarah,
Ways.
I melted marshmallow all over my fingers.
Oh, lick them.
yeah. Now the party started.
It's a practical.
You can lick my fingers.
I can lick your fingers.
Yeah, totally.
This is going out to Facebook now.
I can stand you.
Oh, did you get fire in your face?
Smoke.
Ah, all right.
It burns.
Do you want water? I think I have some cold water.
It's okay. It goes away.
Kunnon suomalainen.
Pitää elää sen puun kanssa. Pitää olla sielun yhteydessä, että huomaa mitkä puut ovat tarpeeksi kuivia.
Ja tämän takia meitä kutsutaan punnussyöjiksi. Ei mä vittu ymmärrä. Sinne! Saatana! Mitä sinäkin siinä? Älä unise perkele!
Jääpä nyt ole, sinä olet pajan rauhassa.
Tulla.
We should sing some songs in Finnish.
I want to put
No.
Mari laulu.
No!
Miina laulu.
No!
What?
No
Meillä on
singing!
soittori haitaripeliä ja minä menin kuuntelemaan.
Yes, please.
Ja minä menin kuuntelemaan. Haitari pantiin piirongin pieleen ja ruvettiin suutelemaan. Haitari pantiin piirongin pieleen ja ruvettiin suutelemaan. Vuosien huukumarkan maksoit, mies sain koteekalla. Vuosien huukumarkan maksoit, mies sain koteekalla. Mies sain sängyssä viltin alla ja sie sain lattialla. Mies sain... Tää on oikeesti nyt...
Please, continue. I actually like that one.
No, where are you filming?
What?
Where are you filming?
I'm filming at the fire actually, and the stuff that can be filmed because everything else is dark. So it's actually.
It's getting lighter here, actually.
Yeah, it is.
What's
Weird.
that?
Ah, my
It's because of the clouds. It's because of the clouds.
Oh, is it because of the...
They reflect light.
Yeah.
You are.
Lights. No.
Yeah. No, the sun is not rising.
The sun is rising red. Blood has been spilled tonight. In the night. I cannot
You know.
English.
I know that some of you may not like the song.
If it's not like welcome to the candy shop, it's okay.
Welcome to the
Why don't
candy
you-
shop.
It used to be my favorite.
How's the... I can remember the lyrics.
Welcome to the candy shop.
This is just
Something,
something
something,
to do every
something
time you are
lollipop.
here. This is just
something to do.
I like how the flashlight is like between your thighs.
It's still the flashlight, you know.
Tää on hyvä, kun sillä puolet noista puusta homeista.
Joo.
Ihminen ei osaisi kokoon niitä puita siellä.
Koko kuru.
Ei helvetti.
Joo.
Ei helvetti.
Tää. Me kuunneltiin tää viimekin kerralla sunkaan täällä. Mikä? Joo.
Nothing.
You'll get it off by that, right?
No comment.
Yep. I know you. Something. Okay, you all gonna hate me for that, for this, but...
You know any Wärttiläisen laisia?
No, but they can fix it. Mä en niinku osaa laulaa, mutta siis se, että nyt olisi nyt kiva kuunnella just
If anyone wants kebab, I have some.
Awesome.
Tää on vaan niinku aina semmonen, mitä mä tykkään kuunnella.
Indika olisi toinen. Onko sä kuullut Indikaa?
On.
Niin, se ei sovi tähän, mutta niin, sitä voi myöhemmin.
Mä mietin just jotain sellaisia, että
Lauluja Wärttilä. Mitkä tulee autossa. Laulipädi niin sulle paraatiin. No ei se niin mitä näitä nyt on? Mut siis Wärttilässä tuu kyllä sen verran.
Wärttinä on varmaan paras, joo. Mut ei oo niinku mitään semmoista.
Jos mä saan käyttää tätä.
Joo. Koska siis se niinku pitää tulla mieleen.
Se vaihtaa kappaleen heti. Lähti jos kirjoita vai heti jos pistää niinku hakkuun.
Heti jos pistät hakkuun.
Ei se mitään.
Thank you. So now we have a proper fire.
No, my house is
Sarah, you want some?
I'm full of marshmallows.
What?
Teistä.
Wait,
Wärttinä is better, sir.
Mira,
Huh?
what was your friend's name again?
Antti.
Auntie,
What?
you want some kebab?
No,
seriously, it's good.
I don't eat kebab animal.
Kebab animal. Hannibal.
I have a
Something funny can you say? This
Funny,
is a very
it's like
good... This
se
is a...
Heilani soitteli haitat.
Yeah, that's what,
That
what
one?
Mira was singing.
Okay. Oh no, that one.
Well, doesn't matter. Or is it bad?
I didn't know what, but I just missed it. This is you know,
It's nice how it's still warm.
Yeah.
Well, just... Let's just put some...
Good job, Auntie.
What?
Good job.
This will burn like 3 minutes and then go out.
Do you use that knife to put wood?
Yeah, this is...
Huh?
Do you usually use that knife to cut wood?
Not to cut, but like to splinter it so it burns better.
That's good. Man, that's beautiful.
Yeah, that's a very good band. This is the same what Mira was singing earlier.
We'll need the axe or more longer knife to really make good fire.
You know this better than I do.
Yeah, I was 9 months in the army.
Oh, fuck. That's really good at this. No, I'm thinking about joining the army, but for a medical one. I don't know how much they need that, but I guess there's at least one medical in each squadron.
Is it not forced in Sweden?
What?
Like, all the young men in Finland have to do it.
Oh, you mean like it's like?
Conscription army.
Yes, no, it's voluntary. No, wait, it was if you go and answer which you can don't do it for the reason of all, but now it's voluntary.
Yeah.
So now you choose if you do or not.
But then you get you get paid in the army now in Sweden.
Pay.
Yeah.
And you get money when you're.
But in here we don't get it.
But I think you get money.
The money is like 3 euros per day.
I think it's like a salary. It's like an ordinary job. Once you have get the knowledge, once you have passed this test to be to any good use to the army, you can get like a job there. They start paying you.
Yeah, I know.
Akku vähissä.
My friend.